inside.
Whoa, this is a big one.
Is it pretty big?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Oh, don't drop it. Got it?
Whoa. Yeah. Got it.
Here,
Big
why don't you
one.
put it... Here, why don't you put it right here? Can you put it right here?
Yeah. Come on. There.
Here, put it right here.
What's there right here?
Let's see.
What's
We should
it?
get some scissors, huh?
Yeah.
Here, you stay by the package.
Okay, you did me.
Sophia,
What?
here.
What?
What's in here?
I don't know.
Whose name does it say on there?
Sophia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mom, what is it?
I don't know.
What's in there?
Not sure.
I don't know what's in there.
Okay, you open it.
That's I like the pop. Mom.
What is it?
No. Mom.
What is it? Let's see. Come here. Can you open it? Can you rip the plastic? Here, maybe I'll just give it a little cut here. Ready? Here. Can you rip it open that way? Oh my goodness! You know what it looks like?
What?
An Easter basket. Look at that! That is so cute!
Yeah.
Who got that for you?
I don't know.
You know who got it for you?
What?
Grandma Jane. Can you say thank you, Grandma Jane?
Thank you, Grandma Jane.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at that, and there's a little baby bunny in here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Cool. Oh, look, it says a personalized gift for you. There's a little card in here. Do you want to open it? Oops. Okay, let's see. You know what it says?
What?
It says, much love from Grandma Jane. Look at that. Look at, should we check out what's in here? Look at.
Easter stuff.
Yeah, we've got a chocolate bunny and some peeps, some little yellow peeps, and some more candy and some Jelly Bellies, it looks like.
Can we open it?
That is so cool. You want to eat it? Yeah. Can you tell Grandma Jane thank you one more time?
Thank you, Grandma, one more time.
You're silly. And there's Cruz over there, hopping around. Okay, say bye. See you later.
Bye. See you later.
Sophia, look at me. Say see you later.
Bye.
Oh, okay. Bye.